Hi Gemini, welcome to your reading. Please remember that this is a general reading, so take from it what you can and leave the rest for others. Also, remember that time is fluid and the roles can be reversed. If you'd like a private reading from me, you can send me a mail on kavyajaswal9@gmail.com. And if you'd like a free reading from me, you can join me on the platforms Facebook and Instagram, where I often go live and offer free readings. The address to both the places is down below in the description box. Also, for some time, I'm going to be selecting a few people and offering free readings. All you need to do is drop in your mail ID below in the comment box, and I send out a notification on Sunday evenings for the people I've selected. I'm going to be picking up two people who I will offer private reading to. And don't forget to check your spam folders as well. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, may I request you to do so now? I'd be really grateful. And to remember to hit the bell notification icon to give this reading a thumbs up if this resonates with you. What are we getting for Gemini? Gemini, I feel like some kind of an important life changing event or something that is going to remain in your mind for a long time is coming up for you, or it has just just you're already in that energy because I'm seeing that in your past. And I also feel that of late you have realized you need to spread your wings, you need to expand yourself because there are some abilities apparently you've discovered about yourself, or some new area of life that you want to go forward into at a much deeper level. I Okay, why do we have the Five of Swords here? I feel like there was someone making advances towards you, and you've just shown them the door, and that was the right thing to do at that point in time. Or this was someone in your past that who was trying to, I don't know, emotionally blackmail you or in some other way trying to come after you. But for once you have shut the door, they were either trying to come back with a hollow proposal or they were trying to creep back into your life, but you've shown them the door. However, I feel that this is not over yet. Yeah, but we have the Eight of Swords and the Ten of Swords. Expand a little bit on Ten of Swords, please. Yeah. Um, for now, it is definitely done. But yeah, there's this constant fear in your mind that I feel won't allow you to walk out of this energy, but you're going to be okay, is something that tells me here. In the present time, you have the card of Page of Air, which tells me that, Page of Air is like the Page of Swords in the Rider-Waite deck, and I feel like there could be the cutting of ties with someone here, which could be this past relationship you've just done that with, or you could be making some impulsive decisions also. You could come across some information here, Gemini, and because of that information, either you're making some change to plans or you are, I feel some kind of truth or information is definitely coming your way. And it doesn't seem to be very pleasant one at first because there's a Five of Wands here and a Nine of Swords, and I kind of feel like something from the past is coming back into your life and opening up something that you didn't want to. With your Page of Wands and the card of the Fool, I feel like you are going to walk beyond that and look for a new beginning in your life. Yes, the Two of Wands, I do not doubt that. You're going to go past that and look for new beginnings in your life. I also feel that it's a very powerful time for you to release. So whatever was pending from the past times, past people, circumstances, and situations, you have got to release them, and probably that is why they had to come up at this point in your life right now. We also have the card of the Tower, and with the Knight of Wands, I feel like you are past this energy in the future. So remember, in the coming times, wherever you are in this stage in the reading, is where you're supposed to pick this reading up from, because this is a timeless reading. I also feel that now you're going to focus more on yourself, self growth, and building yourself up in the financial sector or standing on a more solid ground. I also feel that you're now turning inwards, and this could be a more spiritual time for you, Gemini, and you're going to look for answers deep within. Um, some bitter experiences in the past or recent past in your life have made you turn inwards from the external world, and this is where you're finding your Ten of Pentacles. So I see a lot happier time coming up ahead for you, but for to arrive with the Ten of Pentacles, you have to get past the energy of the Tower, which was already made to happen in your life. Let's get you some cards from the universe. Let's see what the universe has to say to you. We have the wish. Your heart's desire is ready to come true. So I'm telling you, you guys are turning inwards and you're looking for something to come true. And I feel that you're going to grow to a good extent in your emotional and spiritual understandings. From the spirit, we have the card of vulnerability. This is confirmation that you're seeking to tread into the unknown, unfamiliar territory where decisions are based more on intuition rather than rationality. Don't let fear hold you back or allow a misguided sense that feeling vulnerable is somehow a negative condition. The other card that we have is synchronicity. Are you noticing the signs of synchronicity that the spirit world has been sending to you at this time? People and situations in your life are not just appearing by coincidence. In reality, they're being guided to you from the spirit world to help you for a specific reason. You would know what this reason is, Gemini, and I feel it's got a lot to do with your past, immediate past, and you growing spiritually at the deeper front, is what I'm seeing. Let's get you some messages from the angels. What are the angels saying to you? So we have the card of creative writing, and Archangel Gabriel says, make time to write down your thoughts in a journal or pen an article or book. So for those of you who already know automatic writing, this is good for you. You must start doing this now. You've got to let that creativity get out of you. And I also feel that you're receiving a lot of signs and guidance in the form of dreams. So you should start dream journaling. If even if there is a sign or word that comes to your head, or you see a vision, you must immediately pen it down. This is going to be divinely guided, you guys. The other card I see for you is you are safe. I'm protecting you against lower energies and guarding you, your loved ones, and home. I feel like you've been feeling energetically very drained in the past, and this could have to do with someone being connected with you at the astral level who is trying to suck your energy. And that's why this feeling, for those of you who are going through this and understand it, all right, fine. For those of you who don't understand that there is someone around you who is definitely not for your highest good, and they could be pulling this energy from you, and that's why you feel drained all the time. So you must go back to praying to your angels, because they are saying they are looking after you, they're protecting you. So that's what I have for you for now, you guys. Do remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification icon if you haven't already done that. And I'll see you very soon. Bye bye, and stay beautiful.